Today we're making RAWkin Shave Soap for men and women. These are the molds. They're going to be about 3 to 4 ounce size bars, which will be perfect for any dish. The oils and butters that I'm going to be using are very beneficial to the skin. They hydrate, seal, and protect. They are moisturizing, soothing to help prevent redness. They are going to be the perfect thing for the overall experience for the shaver. The clays are going to be bentonite and kaolin, which is going to give a nice glide to the razor across the skin, help to lift the hair, and it's just going to make a beautiful, beautiful bar for shaving. I'm mixing that into my lye solution, and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to take my oils and I'm going to stick blend them just to a light emulsification before adding in the lye solution. With my stick blender, I'm going to bring that up to a very, very light emulsification. Now I'm going to add the lye solution, careful not to splash or create bubbles. I'll pour that down the shaft of the spatula, getting out all the good clay. And now I'm going to bring to a light trace with the immersion blender, careful not to add any bubbles to the mix. And then I'm going to add my colorant before adding the essential oils. The color that I'm using is going to be a very beautiful pale aqua blue, kind of like an eggshell from an exotic chicken. It's going to be like a marine apothecary color. It's just going to be beautiful in the dish. Now I'm going to add the essential oils, being careful to blend those very quickly, as it will accelerate the soap base, and I'm going to immediately put it into my molds. Moving quickly, I'm going to get this soap base into my molds, and then I'm going to level it out with a flat spatula. And then I will pat down the molds to ensure that there are no air bubbles in the final product. And that's really important. You want to get a really dense bar of soap without any pockets. And once I tap those down, then I'm going to spray the tops with alcohol to discourage soda ash and also bubbles on the top surface. I'm just continuing to level these off and make sure that they're all even. I spread that out with my spatula. Being careful not to make any dents or crevices as I move through this. Now I'm going to begin spritzing with the alcohol to prevent that soda ash and bubbles. And then I'm going to take the remaining part of the soap batter and I'm going to put it in a little tin for my son, who was my inspiration, as he is an avid searcher for the best shaving soap for the old-fashioned brush and razor. And I am sure this is going to please him very much. that we have a nice smooth surface, and there we go. I'm going to let these cure for about 4 weeks, as I used a reduced water for the lye solution, so that will help this to cure in about 4 weeks versus the normal 6. These will be ready for Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers. Gloves off, folks.